Good example everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an attendance management system by using Google Sheet and App Script. I've provided all source code in the description. You can copy and paste and create this amazing attendance system. Before we start, I'll walk you through how the system works. First, let's start with the username of a teacher. Password. And click login. Once you log in, you can see the teacher's dashboard, a welcome node, and here you can select the allocated class. Here you can select the date to mark the attendance sheet. So when you click on the generate report, you can select the class allocated for you, start date, end date, and you can generate the report. You can also download the file as CSV and view the attendance mark dates. Let's try to mark an attendance for the class PP. Select the classes, select the date. Once you select the date, click on load student list. Once the class list is loaded, you will be able to see all the class list of the students. With the student ID, student name and attendance by default marked as a present. Now you can mark them as absent. Once you're done, submit the attendance. And once it's submitted, you will be able to see the submit successful notes. Now, let me try to generate the report. Select the class, select the start date, and select the end date. Click on generate report. You can see the report of class PPA with total number of class missed, and percentage. To download the report, you can click on the download CSV and download on your computer. Once downloaded, you can view the report in CSV format in your local computer. You can click on the attendance mark date, and here you can view all the dates of the attendance you have marked. That is all in the teacher's dashboard. Now let's log in as a student number and student password. Login. Once the student logins, the student dashboard will be displayed with the attendance report and the percentage, with the attendance record, the dates and the status. That's all with the students. Now let's log into admin dashboard, admin password, login. This is the admin dashboard. Here you can see the student displayed, and you can search for the students here. You can filter by class. You can sort by the name from ascending order to descending order and the percentage. Here you can download the display data on CSV. So you can see the file on the computer. And that is all with the admin dashboard. Now that you know how the system works, create a new Google Sheet. Rename the Google Sheet as Attendance Management System. And here you can rename the sheet name as Teachers. And you can add a new sheet. Let's rename the new sheet as Student Logins. And create another sheet for the admin. Now I'm going to add a new sheet with the name PPA. Here what I'm doing is I'm adding a classes. For this video I'm going to add only 4 classes, 2 primary classes and 2 higher classes, but for you can add as many classes as you want. Once you're done with the classes, let's click on to the teachers, and I'm going to copy and paste the header. For you can just copy the same header that I have, and let's go to student login. Here for the header I'm going to copy and paste. You have to have the same header as mine, but for the values you can add any values you want with the student number and names, password and the classes. Next we are going to click on to admin the field. Done. After this, we're going to go to the classes. Now here I'm going to add the classes. So for that I'm going to copy and paste the student list from the student login. So I'm going to copy and paste it on the cell A4. I'm going to do that for all the classes. Once you complete it with copy and pasting the class list, remember that the class name value should be exactly the same as the sheet name. Now after this we are going to add the code, code extension app script. Delete all the existing code, and I have provided the full code in the description or comment section. You can go and check it out. Copy the code and paste the code JS, save it, add HTML, add indexed. Here delete the existing code and paste the HTML code that I have provided. Click on the save button, go to the deploy, add new deployment, select the web app, and who has access, say anyone, and deploy. Authorize, select your email address, advance, and click on unsave, allow. So wait for a while. Now you can copy the URL and paste it on the new tab. So here you go. Congratulations, you have developed an attendance system for your schools. I would like to thank everyone for supporting me and follow me for more future videos like this. Good night and take care.